If you're selling products that come in different options like size, color, or style, creating a variation listing with a drop-down menu on eBay is the best way to keep everything organized in one listing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a variation listing with a drop-down on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to offer multiple options in a single listing and make it easier for buyers to choose. First, open the eBay website and sign into your seller account. Once you're logged in, click on the Sell button to start creating a new listing. Enter your product title and select the appropriate category for your item. When you reach the listing details page, look for the Variations section. This option is available only in certain categories like clothing, accessories, and similar items. Enable the Variations option to start creating different choices. Now, you can add variation types such as size, color, or any other relevant option. For example, you can create options like small, medium, and large for size, or red, blue, and black for color. These will appear as drop-down menus for buyers. After adding variation types, you'll need to assign details for each combination. This includes price, quantity, and sometimes SKU for each variation. Make sure you enter accurate information so buyers can select the correct option. Next, upload images for each variation if possible. This is especially useful when selling items with different colors or styles, as buyers can clearly see what they are selecting. Continue filling out the rest of your listing, including description, shipping details, and return policy. Once everything is complete, review your listing carefully. Finally, click the List Item button to publish your variation listing. Buyers will now see drop-down menus on your listing page, allowing them to select their preferred options before purchasing. In this tutorial, we learned how to create a variation listing with a drop-down on eBay by enabling variations, adding options like size and color, and setting details for each variation. This helps you manage multiple options efficiently and improves the buying experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.